Hello, this is Scott with Rizzo Controls. Today, we're going to talk about customizing your experience within the Niagara workbench. Today, I'm using version 4.15, and more specifically, what I'm talking about is if I'm logged into my J's here, I'm talking about the new components that are available through an AX wire sheet, meaning that we can actually customize our options here under New. And likewise, we can also go to a PX view and customize our widgets that are available here. So in order to do that, we need to know how to navigate Niagara, and I need to go to my localhost file system. I'll expand my localhost in my nav tree, expand my file system, and I want to be under my syshome. Under my syshome, there's a defaults folder. Under defaults, there's a workbench folder, and this is where we'll find our new components.bog and new widgets.bog. For the new components, this will affect the components available in an AX wire sheet, or I should say any wire sheet for that matter, at least through Workbench. And new widgets.bog will affect PX views or graphics. So if I wanted to affect my AX wire sheet options first, I'll double click my new components.bog, and we can see that the same exact options here for my components are the same ones shown in this AX wire sheet. So if I constantly found myself using, say, the tstat block from the kit control palette, and I wanted to add it to my available components in a wire sheet, I'd go to my kit control palette sidebar, expand HVAC, and find my tstat component. Click and drag that. I'll keep that name tstat. And I want to make sure I click this Save Bog button. Notice that in my nav tree, when the bog file is not saved, it turns dark. It's trying to tell you, hey, make sure you save this. Hit that Save button in your toolbar. That icon will go back to clear. And now we have our tstat available through our new components. And to prove that this works, I'll go back into my JS here, into the AX wire sheet of this unrestricted folder, this customization video folder. If I right click in its wire sheet, there's the tstat. I can drop it in there. Ta-da! Like any other tstat, same exact thing as if we pulled it from the palette sidebar. To prove that we can do this with graphics now, let's go to my new widgets.bog. And if I constantly found myself in, say, the kit PX N4 SVG palette, and always trying to get ductwork from the palette sidebar, maybe I just click and drag the whole ductwork folder, the whole thing. Maybe I rename it kit PX N4 SVG ductwork. Click OK and save this bog file. And then I'll go into a PX view, like my customization video, PX view here. Go into edit mode, and now I can right-click anywhere in my canvas pane here, hover over new, and go to the ductwork. If I needed a duct vertical end up, sure, I can add that with just a left click.